Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. My name is Soren Kaplan and I'm a co-founder of Praxie.com. The Rater model is a great and simple tool for evaluating your organization's services and support for your customers. Rater is an acronym. It stands for Reliability, Assurance, Tangibles, Empathy, and Responsiveness. So if you are looking at a number of different services and how you're doing, or even products that are connected to services, what you can do is essentially use each of these criteria, the elements of Rater, and look across your products and rank them high, medium, and low in terms of how they're delivering on each of these dimensions. If you can do that, you can identify which products or services are doing the best and where your opportunities for improvement are in terms of creating projects to improve process or to improve the customer experience. So that's the value of the Rater model. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.